Hi, I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Lainey with me. This is my cousin's little girl. She is darling. She has a twin. Hi, you're a twin? And they are identical. They are so cute. So Lainey, I guess she thought she would be just a little bit different, didn't want to be so identical, that she went ahead and cut her hair. So if you guys can see that, she just took a chunk, kind of a ponytail, right? It was up in a ponytail and she just, yeah, cut it. So anyway, her mom is the one that records, so I'm talking to her behind the scenes. So what we are going to do to blend this is we're gonna bring the length up and then we're gonna layer it, okay? What you could also do if you wanted, what she wants to keep as much length as she can, so we're gonna bring the length up and layer it some so this blends. And then if it's still bugging her, then we're gonna go to more of an A line. So if, you know, your daughter cuts it like that and you just want a shortcut, then go for it. But we asked Lainey and Lainey wants it just a little bit longer. So we are gonna keep it a little bit longer and layer it so it's not as noticeable. Okay, so I just sprayed her hair down. Okay, Miss Lainey, look down for me, baby girl. Look right down here at the red. Good girl. Okay, so we're gonna bring it about up to here. And what this is gonna do is leave a little bit of length so if her mom wants to pull it up, because let's be real, it's hard to get little girls ready. She has 3 under the age of what, 5? I think, yeah, 5. Anyway, so yeah, 3 little girls under the age of 5. We really want to be as easy as possible. So we are gonna leave just a little bit of length, and the reason being is just so she can pull it up a tiny bit if she needs to. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this, take this length here. Okay, so we have the back. Now, Lainey, you can look up at mom. Okay, then we're just gonna wet this down again. They are the cutest, sweetest little girls. Okay. All right, now I'm just gonna comb this. Now you're gonna tilt their head a little bit and just make sure their chin isn't all the way down, that it's just like coming out straight. Okay, Lainey, good girl, you're doing awesome. Okay, now turn this way. Okay, right there. Okay, now just hold the hair down. Okay. All right, now this hair here, I'm just gonna bring that. Okay, so cute already. Okay, yeah, we told her, yeah, next time you want your hair cut, just ask Aunt Radona and she'll do it for you. Huh, Miss Lainey? Okay, now tilt this way, sweetheart. Okay, and then if we need to bring the other length up because of this chunk that's gone, we can always do that. Okay, make sure your head's right there. Good girl. You're doing so good, sis. Are you having fun? You like cutting your hair? You gonna let Radona cut it from now on? Yeah. Then that way you get to come see me. Okay. All right, I think we might need to take this other side a little bit shorter. Yeah, we're gonna take it just a little bit shorter. Okay. You are doing so good, sis. Okay. Okay, sweet. Now how we are going to layer it, I'll show you that. Ooh, does that feel kind of funny? Okay, we're gonna pull this top up. And I'm just kind of holding So you can see where these hairs are cut off into here. Okay, so I'm just kind of holding that up to see where we can start blending the layers. So I'd say about to here. Okay, so from there on, keep your head up right there. Good girl. You're doing awesome. Okay, just kind of point cut into that. And I'm actually gonna do like a 90-degree for these layers down her head this way. Okay, so you just hold that out. You can see the length is dropping out, so you won't take any of the length. Okay. Now, same for this side. I'm gonna take that and layer this part. You're doing good, sis. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, taking that off. All right. Okay, now we're going to come to this other side. Okay, take that length off there. We're going to come to this side. So you can see where we're taking that. And you can see that length is falling out, so it's just layering that other part. That way you know that it's not, okay, good girl. See, the layers are all like already cut over here. We're not taking much off that side. Yeah, see, Lainey, you're good at layers, girl. Got them all blended in nice. Oh, too cute. Okay. So bringing this up here. Okay, now I'm just going to drop that. Okay, cute girl, look up. Good job. Just don't want that to fall, do we? Okay, now we're going to hold this top up. And I'm just taking this straight across. The reason I'm taking it straight across is because the layers are shorter. So we want those to blend in like around the front area. Okay, now we're gonna hold this out here. Take that off. And I'm gonna show you guys, if I can, the layers that are in here. So these layers that were cut, look how close that is to blending. So, and you'll be able to see that when we dry, how good it blends. Are you excited for a new haircut? Good, good. Okay, look up for me, sis. Perfect, right there is perfect. She's a good listener. When I say up, she is up. You are a good girl. Okay, then of course, you know, we're just always, I'm parting down the middle, unless your daughter parts to a certain side, then you can part to that side. But I like that just to know that we can get each side even. Okay, cute girl. Okay, look up, Radona. Oh, see, she is a good listener. When I say look up, she legit looks up. I love it. Okay, look right here. Good job. Okay, so you can see, I'm gonna just take this, take that in just a little bit. And it'll just blend in with these sides. Okay, now this side. So you can see those layers coming down where she had cut. Now we're just gonna take this front, take that off just a little bit. And the reason we do that is just to blend those layers in this side over here. So it's not long and then we still have these short layers here, okay? Okay, sweet. All right, now what I'm gonna do is put a little mousse. We're gonna dry it. We're gonna dry it now, okay, sweet girl? You can look up. Good job. You are awesome. Okay, now this is pretty much all the way, well, at least 80% dry. So I'm just gonna start with the round brushing now. Just taking little sections. Oops, sorry. You can put your head up, baby. Right there. Good girl. Yeah, you don't want to round brush it when it's really, really wet. You want it pretty much dry. Obviously not all the way dry because you need it a little bit damp. Hey, look up, sis. Good girl. Okay, now I'm going to do this side. Same thing. Okay, look up, sis. Good girl, right there. Yay, I'm gonna show you your new haircut in a minute, okay? Are you getting excited? Good. You can see this is just the front part. Section. Okay, you can look up, sissy. Right there, perfect. Hey, you're getting there. Yeah, so they're gonna try this for a while. See if they like it. If not, we'll just go shorter, but this is a good way to keep it as much length as you can, but yet blending it so you don't have those short pieces with the length. Oh, there's that cute face. I see it. I see it. Look this way. Good girl. Now we'll do this side. And then you're almost done. Little bit here in the back, sweetie, and then one more, and then I'll show you your true haircut. So yeah, sometimes if the layers are really short, You know, you can either do a lot of layers or you can just go to like a short A-line or a bob or something like that. Is it fun getting in here then? Good. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna turn her to the side so you can see the cute layers in it. See, that way, all the layers in there, you can't tell it's been chopped through that area. So, and then I'll turn you and show the cute layers over here. And that way, see how she still has some length, but it's not chopped off, but yet it blends. So it doesn't look like it's been chopped on that side. So, okay, I'm gonna have you look, okay, Lainey? Does it feel good? Do you like it? You like it a lot? Yeah? Okay, is it fun to have different hair? Okay, awesome. Okay, you guys, thanks so much. If you have any questions, let me know. I know lots of kids out there like to cut their own hair. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, have a good day.